This is the detailed story about how I learned the science of making money online. This science is so amazing that it profited me $100,000 in just 4 months. Here you go. Yeah, this is me. $100,325. But wait, that was only 5 days ago. Because as of today, I am now at $109,650. And of course, I'm not the only one seeing success like this. I have had other team members use this science that I'm about to teach you. Here are their results. Here's Thaddeus, who made 8 sales equaling $500 today. Here's Kurt Tashi, who had a $25 a month pay raise. Here's Clay Montgomery. He says he's loving this business. He's just 3 days into it. He's fully qualified with his first 3 product levels and has a $550 monthly residual income with 0 paid marketing so far. Lori Petrosino says this flat out works, and she's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 signups in just 1 day. Elaine got her first $175 sale. Cassandra, she made a sale while she's sleeping. Fathom, she got her first sale ever online. Clifton just got his first all-in sale. Holly made 3 sales to start her Saturday off. Scott made $2,300 in 7 weeks, and he almost didn't join. Want more results? Here you go. Here's Bernadette with multiple signups in a day. Here's George Breyer with $1,250 of monthly residual income in just 96 hours. Here's Sherwin, who made a $25, $50, and $100 sale while he's on vacation. Here's Lisa. She says, yep, I made it so excited. First time I've been in something that worked for me. LOL, love it. Here's Chris Fondy making multiple signups and sales. Here's Adam Perrin with $1,225 of monthly residual income in just 1 month. Here's Johnny Butler Wright with her first all-in sale in just 24 hours. Here's Tony Torres with his first sale from just using our training and our systems. These folks are all using the science to making money online. I've used the science to have $10,000 in 24 hours, $7,240 days, $6,400 days, and $7,750 days. You're probably wondering, what is this science? Here's what the science entails. In making money online, you got to be doing 3 things daily in order to get sales and signups. These 3 things are traffic, leads, and conversions, aka TLC. You see, the problem is most people know how to get the T and the L, but fail to get the C. And unfortunately, the C is where the money is made. You see, I have some top secret techniques to getting gobs of conversions. That's why you saw so many stories about our team's success. We are the Decide Freedom Team. We are the #1 team in National Wealth Center. What is National Wealth Center, you ask? National Wealth Center, aka NWC, is a company that markets personal growth digital products. These are products like self-development, business development, wealth development, stock markets, fitness and health, real estate, and marketing education, and so much more. What makes NWC so great that separates it from the rest is the 100% commission structure for its members. Not only that, you'll be working with a #1 team, the Decide Freedom Team. You'll be in business for yourself, but never by yourself. Now, when you get started today, you're going to learn the science to getting gobs of signups and getting gobs of conversions. Here is what gobs looks like. 5 sales in a day, 17 sales in a day, 15 sales in a day, $1,000 days, 19 sales in a day, $6,400 days, 19 sales more in a day, $10,240 in 24 hours, $57,000 in 10 weeks, $75,000 in 3 months, and $7,240 days. You're going to learn all of this and so much more. Now, let's take a peek at what it would be like if you just got 4 sales in a month and your 4 duplicated that result for the next 12 months. Now, I'm going to present to you what's called the power of 4. What if everyone only got 4 people their first month and then duplicated that? Here's what that would look like in 12 months. you'd have a monthly recurring income that is staggering. Month number 1, you get your 4, you pass 2 of them upline automatically, you keep 2, so 2 times 175 equals 350. Month number 2, your 2 get their 4. Of course, 2 each are passed up to you for a total of 4, so 4 times 175 equals $700. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month, your total would now be $1,050 per month. Month number 3, your 4 get their 4. Your 2 are each passed up to you for a total of 8. So 8 times 175 equals $1,400 per month. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month, you would now be at $2,450 per month. Month number 4, your 8 get their 4, 2 are each passed up to you for a total of 16. 16 times 175 is $2,800 per month. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month, your total would be $5,250 per month. Your 16 get their 4. 2 are each passed up to you for a total of 32. 32 times 175 is $5,600 per month. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month. Your total is now $10,800 per month. Month number 6, your 32 get their 4. 2 are each passed up to you for a total of 64. Times 175 equals $11,200. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month. Your monthly income is now $22,000 per month. Month number 7, your 64 get their 4. 2 are each passed up to you for a total of 128. 128 times 175 equals $22,400. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month. Your total is now at $44,000 per month. Month number 8, your 128 get their 4. 2 each are passed up to you for a total of 256. 256 times 175 equals $44,800 per month. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month. Your total is now $89,250 per month. You are now $1 million a year earner. Month number 9, your 256 get their 4. 2 each are passed up to you for a total of 512. So 512 times 175 equals $89,600 per month. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month. Your total is now $178,850 per month. Month number 10, your 512 get their 4. 2 each are passed up to you for a total of 1,024. 1,024 times 175 equals $179,200 per month. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month, and your now total is $358,050 per month. Month number 11, your 1,024 get their 4. 2 each are passed up to you for a total of 2,048. 2,048 times 175 equals $358,400 per month. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month. Your total is now $716,450 per month. And the final month, month number 12. Your 2,048 get their 4. 2 each are passed up to you for a total of 4,096. So 4,096 times 175 equals $716,800. Add to that the people from the prior month roll into this month. Your total is now $1,433,250 per month. Yes, you are a monthly $1 million earner. Now remember, National Wealth Center is a 100% commission model and a reverse 2-up compensation plan, which means you make all of your money back on your first sale. The levels are anywhere between $25, $50, and $100 on the front end, which are also known as the residual levels. 95% of our members are getting into the first 3 monthly levels, which is known as the $175, because it maximizes their monthly profits. Plus again, you break even on your first sale, so that means you get all of your $175 back with just 1 sale. And remember, we're going to be teaching teaching you how to get gobs of signups and conversions in your first month. Go ahead and get back to the person who gave you this video, or click the link below if you see one and email them back after you sign up at the first 3 levels in National Wealth Center with "Send me the DFT training site." See you on the team, my friend, and welcome. Click the link below now.
Are there some things that you would like to see happen for you? What do your financial goals look like? Have you written anything down? By taking consistent action and being super duper focused on a series of activities that I did day after day after day over a short period of time, I was able to get to a place where I was generating over $4,000 a month within 4 months of my membership within National Wealth Center.
Hey, Brian here from Laurel, Maryland, current student athlete at Salisbury University, and I want to share with you guys an amazing opportunity called National Wealth Center. This company has opened a gateway to not only my success, but to my financial freedom, and because of it, I'm going to have the opportunity of not having to look for a job when I graduate from college.
Hi, Tony from Las Vegas. I just want to say that I literally started from scratch and has since then built a large 6-figure income, literally, like I said, from scratch. I mean, I didn't know anybody, I had no contacts, no nothing. There's really nothing better out there than National Wealth Center. The products are amazing, the pay plan is just second to none. When you put it all together, there's nothing else out there that can touch it. All you do is get with the business, use their proven system, stick with the plan, and you'll truly realize your dreams. You'll have true time and financial freedom, just like I do if you just stick with it.
Hey guys, this is Bill Constantine from Ponte Vedra, Florida. I've been in the business now 25 years. I've never seen an amazing compensation plan and product like this in all my years. Between personal development, business development, wealth development, and so much more, what we're doing is we're teaching people for as little as $25 to learn how to make over $10,000 a month. And when you talk about credibility, Peter Wolfing, being in the business of helping people for over 25 years, starting a wealth economy with National Wealth Center. I'm just telling you, grab a hold of this opportunity and get started today. Get back to the person who brought you, and you'll be thrilled that you're involved with NWC.
Do not live in the past. Upgrade. Hi, my name is Alvaro, and I invite you to transform your life financially. Today we live in the world of technology, in the world of the global connection, in the world of the instant communication. National Wealth Center opens doors to Latin market. You can take advantage of this great opportunity. 100% commission instant. You can start your own business with only $35 monthly. Change your life. It's worth it.
Hi, this is Phil from Baltimore, Maryland. I want you to know that I'm nearly 60 years old. I've had a nice career, but wanted to earn much more income than I'm earning right now. Then a few months ago, God amazingly answered that prayer through the National Wealth Center. As a member of Team Surge, we thoroughly investigated National Wealth Center and found that the products and marketing tools are fantastic and work great both in warm and in cold markets. The company's leadership is innovative and is worthy of our trust, and the income that you can earn with this amazing compensation plan will far exceed your financial hopes and dreams. So with all those distinct advantages, our team has an ever-increasing number of people joining each and every week. And the same thing will happen with you when you join National Wealth Center and make a firm commitment to succeed.
Hey everyone, I'm Bernardo Rodriguez from the National Wealth Center. It's an amazing opportunity. I came from working a 75+ hour a week job. I'm knocking on doors, working on straight commission. This took a lot of time away from me and also my family. Just recently I was able to fire my boss and leave that job. I worked directly from home, and last month I was able to add an extra $1,000 to my income. Thank you, National Wealth Center.
Hey guys, Brandon Fry here with National Wealth. Well, I do a lot of traveling, and one of the places I like to visit is Arizona. I love Phoenix, Arizona. I love the culture, the people, the environment, the food. But anyway, I picked up this rock, and it kind of served as a reminder that, one day I want to retire out to Phoenix, Arizona. I want to live out there. I want to be able to just relax by the pool and so on and so forth. And so I thought, well, that's a good long-term goal. I can do that one day. maybe in about 10, 15 years or so. Well, then, 5.5 months ago, I came across National Wealth Center. I got started with National Wealth Center, and I thought that I would earn a few $100s a week or something like that, just to kind of compensate for the time I was spending in doing my web design work. Well, ultimately, I quit doing web design because I saw the potential with National Wealth Center, and I started making, my income started increasing and increasing and increasing. I started making a few $1,000s a week, where I thought that was only possible to make, maybe per month. Now, within 5.5 months, I'm now in a position to retire, to do my ultimate goal, which was to move out to Arizona and retire ultimately. Guys, within 6 months, I've been able to achieve what people dream of achieving within 30, 40 years. That's how powerful National Wealth Center's compensation plan is. And that's what I and my other members have been able to achieve.
After he suffered the brain aneurysm, he was looking, searching. For someone or something, anything. Telemarketing. He used to do telemarketing and did quite well before this happened to him. My sister, that's me. And my friend said, check this out. Look at National Wealth Center. Come on, don't get emotional, because I'm going to get emotional. But it's an emotional business. This is about life-changing. And this, what my brother is saying is this changed his life. And the teaching is exceptional. That's a little bit from my brother, Theron Marbury. If he can do it, you can do it. And people respond to him and come aboard with him, and he's helping people change their lives and in effect changing his life. So enough said. I think we've said it. National Wealth Center is the way to go.